He's thinking of every way he can get up there. He doesn't realize that's a smart bird feeder. And it's not in favor of squirrels. Yep, there it goes. It just closes and he can't get in it. Aw, what's happening? This is a perfect example of how this works.
Hey, you gave up.
Yep.
I wanted to see.
He's gonna go think about it. Maybe if I approach it from the top. Oh, where did he go? I've lost him. Oh, he's over there. You get a lot of exercise running around this little gazebo.